Hello, welcome, and today's video is my August plan with me. This is my first video in 6 months. Time is going by so fast. We are already halfway through 2022, and my consistency on YouTube has been absent. But I have been bullet journaling. I just haven't been recording it. But if you follow me on Instagram, I have been posting all my different spreads on there. So happy August, happy summer, and I wanted to come through with those vibes and the color. So for this month's theme, I decided to go with lemon. There are doodles, but I am not talented enough to do really great artwork, so my doodles is actually very minimal and I love how easy it is. It's just one line and then you do triangles, kind of like pizza slices, and then you just color them in, and that's how you get lemon slices. And those are gonna be the theme for this month and how I'm gonna be decorating my spreads all throughout this bullet journal setup. So here we have my cover page, and I really like the big font with the small cursive writing just going through it. Like I said, I don't overcomplicate things. I tend to keep it more on the simple side just because that's what I'm comfortable with, and I still find that you can make your bullet journal look really cute and presentable with minimal effort. Now on this page, I wanted to try something, so I'm doing a bunch of circles, making sure that it is as round as possible. It's kind of looking like a bird nest, and now that I'm thinking about it, that is pretty much what it is. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna add some leaves. And with my tombow, I'm gonna just add in some green just for that pop of color. And in the middle, I'm gonna have my quote. Right now, as I am recording this, I have no idea what my quote for August should be. So if you have any suggestions, any puns, or like funny quotes, please let me know in the comments. And you can follow me on Instagram and I will post it there. Now I have my calendar page, and just for the header, I'm just writing August, and with my tombow, I'm just gonna pass a line through it and then add some more lemon slices. And of course, I used these pens so much that I ran out of ink and one of my micron pens. Now this helped me out a lot because I always used to make mistakes when doing my calendar. Either the grid would be off, or the dates would be off, or I would skip a number, forget a number. Like, I made so many mistakes, and if you follow me on this channel, you know that I have been notorious for messing up my calendar page. So this is how I found to fix that, is first to do the outline. And even when you're doing the outline with your pen with a little dot, you can have like the start and the end of that line to make sure you don't go over it. So you do the outline, and then with the date, you put the first column and the last column just to make sure that it all fits perfectly and that you're not skipping and you're not forgetting any dates. And beneath that, I just have an empty space for any notes, events, or anything else I want to add. Now for my monthly sections that I want to add. On the top, I have this month, and You can add anything you want, but for me, I'm just gonna add the book I'm reading and the movies and series that I enjoy watching. But you can add in the music you're listening to or anything else. I just did 2 quick doodles, and then I went in to my goals and my tasks for this month. And I really like just freehanding boxes that I'm doing, and then going over them twice kind of gives it a nice effect. Like, I really like the way this is looking. And then with the color scheme of this month, which is yellow and green to go with the whole lemon theme, it's really nice and consistent. And on the bottom of the page, I have a little quote that says, "You can," just to add in a little bit of motivation squeezed in between 2 lemon slices. And then I decided to just add in a line on the bottom of the page, and I really liked it, so I decided to add that to my quote page just to frame the page and add just a little bit more. And look how easy and simple it is to add in these lemon slices. Just a little quick tip: when you're coloring it in, it's good to leave in just a little bit of white. Don't color the section in completely, and it kind of adds a little bit of depth to the doodle. So this spread is going to be my habit tracker, and since I've had a lot of trouble with grids and numbers, I bought this stamp and I really love it. It's a month overview. You just pat it on the ink and then you press it down on the page, and there you go. And here I go again with the bird nest kind of thing, and this is going to be for my recap page. So this is just a blank page that I set up in the beginning of the month and that I fill out at the end of the month. So I'm adding in those leaves with a little bit of green. This is the flip through of my August 2022 bullet journal setup. I really like just how clean, easy, simple it is. I think it's cute. Let me know what you think, what challenges you have when you bullet journal, or what mistakes you always make. Thank you for watching.